Hello children, let's learn the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Which letter is this? M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, F, T, U, V, W, X, X, Y, and Z. Wow! Can you see? We have arranged letters A to Z so nicely. Now we will write. Which is the first letter of alphabet? A. I'll use purple color and green color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. I'm following the dotted lines. After I, J, K, L. Now M, N, green color. M, N. Now after N is O. P, Q, R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. Now, let's read once again. A. A for ant. B. B for balloon. C. C for car. D. D for duck. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for horse. I. I for ink. J. J for joker. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. M. M for mango. N. N for nose. O. O for octopus. P. P for pigeon. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for swan. T. T for top. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for water. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.